Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be making my last and final Valentine's Day gift creation. As you can see here, it'll be a Valentine's Day gift box along with some other items, so stay tuned. Here I will be adding some decorative shredding. We're not going to add too much because again, this is a small box. So we got the white, pink, and the red. It's going to look pretty. As you can see on the side, it actually matches the bag. So I'm going to fill it up a little bit and start putting in our items. So the first item we have is a Kinder Love Mini chocolate set, which is tiny enough to fit in this perfect size box. Then we have a little notepad. I love notepads. Who don't love notepads? And again, this is cute and tiny. It fits right in the box. We have a tumbler that has X and O on it. I'm going to flip this around really quickly so the tumbler fits perfectly. And of course, we need an excessive amount of chocolate because it's Valentine's Day. That chocolate is so luxurious, it's going to be yummy. And of course, we also have a Valentine's Day card because they mean the most, right? So let's go ahead and add a little bit of shredding to the top before we add the box top, which I think is gorgeous and very creative. Don't you love this top? Not only does this box come with a cool top, but it also has a very unique top cover, which I love. Now I'm just going to add two stickers really quickly, a glittery white heart sticker and a glittery red sticker. Just going to glide the top cover on the box. Isn't this so neat and different? I really like this. So let's go ahead and add the ribbon. Of course, the details are everything. So let's make sure we get this done nice and neat. Now, as I mentioned, details are everything when it comes to customizing gifts. So I'm fluffing out the ribbons and I'm also going to cut the ends to give it that extra decorative look. Now we're also going to include something really tasteful and yummy for all my wine lovers. And we're going to put the same ribbon on top of the bottle. So let's go ahead and put the box in the bag and get back to the wine bottle. And you don't need too much ribbon for the wine bottle, just something slight. And of course, a gift is not complete for Valentine's Day without flowers. These roses are beautiful. Happy Valentine's Day!